Select Sales on the left menu. You can then either create a new invoice or copy an existing invoice. Today we'll create a new one. You'll then need to enter your fields such as customer, invoice date, invoice due date, bank account, and others. You'll then need to select your income type for reporting purposes, enter a description, a quantity, and a unit price. Select the VAT rate if you're VAT registered. This can be enabled in settings. You can select a department for reporting purposes. By checking Send Email, an email will automatically be sent when you save the invoice. And by selecting the eye icon, you'll be able to preview the email that will be sent. You can add additional notes to appear on the invoice. Once saved, you'll be able to view the invoice anytime within your sales list. By selecting the eye icon, you'll be able to view a preview of the invoice, and you can download this as an Excel or PDF or even Word at any time.